everybody. Today is Sunday, December 17th, 2023. We are on our way to Apulia, south of Italy. As usually, our first stop here in Bellinzona, 7:30 in the morning. We left around 5:30 from home. Had no traffic at all on the Gotthard. It was until now very nice, quiet driving. Sun is slowly rising. Temperature currently around 30-32 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, stop. Something changed. Yes, we have a new rig. Last year we traveled to Spain with the Jeep and rooftop tent, which we love very much and will continue doing that. This year we have a new truck camper, which we picked up in October 2023 after 1 year waiting. Benno Kramer from the company Kramer Technik built us the perfect truck camper, which we will test on this trip to Apulia.
Morning. We slept at the camper place Marotta. We slept for like 11 hours after yesterday's long ride here. We had some trouble finding the right place because in winter many places are already closed for winter, especially in the north. But then we found Area Sosta Camper, it's called. It's just like the small places with no amenities and yeah, it's just a place you can stay, safe place. There's the train. So now we'll head back and have some coffee. There's the coffee maker.
Morning.
Coffee grinder maker.
Percolator is almost percolating.
Yay! Already smells like coffee. We're on our way to the south of Italy, and we were at the telepass place where you can get these telepass thingies where you can drive on the highway express line through the toll charging station. Normally the barrier should open right now. Yay, it works!
Here comes the sun.
Tonight we are making ourselves a nice bean pita sandwich. We bought these nice little bread pita kind of thingies. We have some onions, lot of onions,
And a lot of garlic.
avocado. Of course, it's gonna be spicy. here's my little spice cabinet. Little box. Very practical. Schwoops. In English, schwoops. Okay. Leave some for the husband, I guess. Okay. Now we can put some avocado. Some onions. And some sauce.
Good morning, everybody. Today is December the 19th. We are at the camping Lidos Alpi in Manfredonia, south of the Gargano National Park. We're preparing our breakfast. We had a very good night, nice and cozy. The dogs are fed. They are waiting for the cats to pass by. Water cooker connected to the EcoFlow, and we will prepare our breakfast. Fresh baguette, maybe not so fresh.
There on the hill lies the Castel del Monte. This is the road to the Castel del Monte. Hopefully there's a parking. So this is the Castel del Monte. It's on a hill in the Apulia region, and it was built in the 1240s by some guy named Frederick II. It's special because of its octagonal architecture. Watching TV. I believe there must be a cat somewhere.
Our camper setup proves to be perfect, almost perfect. There is every time more space for improvement. Bless you.
View. Alex is risking his life on the stairway of I don't know, hell. There he comes with the water. We're filling up our water supply. Waiting for Alex, who's buying something for the camper. Something really useful. We got ourselves a vacuum cleaner. That's a big one. Seems to be working. Nice. We are driving toward Brindisi. Dogs are asleep. Look who's cozy.
We are in Otranto and we will visit the old part of the city. Are on the way to visit the Grotto dell'Orto. This is a stone monument, Torre del Serpe.
most south point of Italy, Santa Maria di Leuca. Lucy is searching for the next camping place.
No esistito. Dritto.
Was missing.